Kelly het vir my gesê,
Then Kelly said to me,
Rens, ek het nou 'n kakding aangevang.
Rens, I did something shit now.
En ek het vir haar gevra, hoe bedoel sy aan 'n kakding het sy aangevang?
I asked her, what do you mean about the shit thing you just did?
En sy sê vir my, Rens,
Then she said to me, Rens,
ek het nou
I did now
my kind
I did now my child,
verkoop aan 'n Sankoma.
sold my child to a Sangoma.
En ek het vir haar gevra,
Then I asked her,
hoekom doen sy dit?
why was she doing that?
Of vir wat het sy dit gedoen?
Or why did she do that? Or for what did she do that?
En haar antwoord was gewees,
And the answer was,
jong Rens, ek het geld nodig gehad
Rens, I was in need of money
en ek kry swaar.
and I'm going through hardship.